The Rockstorm Beetle model is designed based on the real beetle in the natural world. Its metal wings can vibrate 720 times per minute. Its giant jaw can clap 30 times per minute. The energy reactor on the back emits bright flashing blue light. If you like this product, come and support us. Your support is really important to us. From the very beginning, the designers saw two beetles provoking each other and fighting, and thought about how to transform them in our combat mechs. While retaining its original features, they injected steampunk elements into it, mechanically transforming its core parts as much as possible to give it life. Do you want to buy one for yourself or for your friends? Let me experience the Storm Beetle for you first. Do you want to build the Rockstorm Beetle model with your own hands? If so, then come and support us. You will be the first to have it.